Easiest government examinations conducted across the country. The first one is RRB Group D examination. This examination is conducted usually every year. Don't worry, I will update if there is any notifications or news related to these examinations in upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a like. So without lagging, I am saying that RRB Group D is a wonderful career opportunity. So if you crack this examination, you will be coming under Group D, which includes cabin man, welder, gatekeeper, etc. And this is a railways job. So railway is the largest provider of employment in our country, India. Then regarding the Group D examination, you will be getting an initial salary of about 18,000 rupees. In addition to basic pay, HRA, OTA, that is overtime allowance, and you will be also promoted to Group C just within 3 years. You will be getting internal promotions very quick and you will be promoted. So don't miss this examination. I will update if there is any important information regarding this examination. Coming to the second one is RRB NTPC examination. Since NTPC is also a very easy examination, it includes actually 4 tiers. That is, tier 1 is a computer based test, and tier 2 is also a computer based one. Then tier 3 is a skill test, and tier 4, which is document verification and medical examination. So if you are cracking this examination, you will be getting a basic pay of you will be paid about 19,900 rupees, and also other allowances like HRA, DA are also available, and you will be getting an enhanced salary of about 30,000 to 40,000 rupees after the salary is increased. So coming to the third one is SSC MTS, that is SSC multitasking. So SSC, you just need only 10th standard qualification, which is one of the most attractive thing regarding this examination. Then regarding the salary and career growth, you will be getting about 21 or 22,000 rupees. Also, you will be getting other allowances, and also you can apply for promotion just after 3 years, which is a very wonderful opportunity. Okay, so watch this video till the end, which is very important. Don't miss any of the information I am giving to you in this channel. This is very important video, so watch till the end. Coming to the next one is SSC CHSL examination. You require 12th standard qualification to apply for this examination. In-hand salary is around rupees 36,500, which is a very good package. Also, the examination is very easy. I'm not speaking about the average candidate. If you are good in maths, GK and all, definitely this exam is going to give you a lot of marks, because that's how questions are set. But if you are a below average candidate and all, some hard work is required, then you can crack the SSC CHSL examination. Coming to the other important things are, you will be getting a lot of allowances after only you will be getting allowances with the salary, also promotion. That is, it will take 5 years. You can apply for the promotion only after 5 years of services. Promotion opportunity to section officer, chief supervisor, etc. regarding the department you are working. Coming to the fifth one, SSC stenographer. So you can get to this examination. The most important thing is that you will be getting a good salary package and also low pressure in work atmosphere. These are the main attractions of an SSC stenographer post. You will be getting a basic pay of rupees 5,200 to 34,800. Allowances are also available, and you will be getting promoted to senior principal private secretary in central service, which is a very reputed post, but through the simple examination. Never miss this examination, SSC stenographer. Coming to the next one is IBPS clerk examination. IBPS is the body conducting examinations to public sector banks in India. So compared to PO examinations, clerk examination of IBPS is very easy. So the main procedure by which you will be selected to these examinations, which includes a prelims, mains, and if you crack these 2 stages successfully, you can get into the post. Coming to the salary and career growth, you will be getting a basic pay level from rupees 11,765 rupees to 31,540, and lot of other benefits are also available. After 2 years of service, just 2 years, you will be getting promoted to JIIB and CIIB, or through other internal examinations you can easily get promotions. So never miss this exam. Coming to the next one is IBPS SO, Specialist Officer exam. So in this Specialist Officer, eligible candidates can apply for different vacancies including Agricultural Officer, Law Officer, etc. And regarding the examination, it has prelims, mains, and the salary and career growth is you will be getting 23,700 rupees with other allowances like DA, HRA and all. The enhanced salary will be around rupees 35,000. The SO officer will be promoted to a scale of general manager through internal promotions and other exams. Very important thing regarding this examination. You are going to, if you are writing these IBPS examinations, you can easily get promotions either by working there or by taking the internal examinations conducted within the organization. Coming to the next one is 8th one, the most easiest examination is CTET, Central Teachers Eligibility Test. So if you want to attend this examination, if you are attending and getting cleared, you will be recruiting to the teaching positions in central government institutions. The result you are obtaining is valid up to 7 years from the declaration of result, and there is no negative marking for this examination. The exam pattern includes 2 sets of paper 1 and paper 2. So you can go through the syllabus and all later. If you want, just mention in the comment section, I will be giving you. CTET teachers have a pay scale of about 9,300 to rupees 34,800. Allowances are also provided. Coming to the 9th one is LIC ADO, Apprentice Development Officer. So if you are clearing this examination, you will be getting a salary of about basic pay 21,875, and including other benefits and all, you will be getting an enhanced salary of around rupees 38,000, which is a very high salary package as compared to other exams we have told. So LIC ADO conducts examination almost every year. After the initial apprentice period of about 1 year, you will be promoted to the probationary development officer, and a meritorious employee can even be promoted to the regional manager post. Hope you are getting what I am saying. Coming to the 10th one, which is the other examination, state PSC examination. In addition to all these Indian exams, the state governments also recruits for various positions within the state. The most important aspect of state PSC is reduced competition, because only the candidates from the particular states are eligible to apply for the examination. So state PSC is also a good option with good salary package, and you will be placed in the home state itself. So that's all. Thank you. Please like this video, share this video with people who are waiting to write government exams. Also subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon. With other exams, the qualifications required, everything and all, I will be making another video. Thank you.